When Juman's aunt sought his support, Algu told her that Chachi, Juman is my best friend. How can I go against him? Why did Samju Sahu select Juman as Punch? Because he knew that Juman and Algu, they were not best friends, and Juman wanted to take revenge from Algu. That's why Samju Sahu nominated Juman as head punch. Why didn't Juman take his revenge? Because the moment he became the head punch, he realized his responsibility and gave a fair decision. So tell me, complete the following statements by choosing the answer from the given options. Juman San transferred her property to him on condition that he could enjoy all her wealth, he could give it to his wife, she would stay with him and he would look after her, and fourth option is she would be given a monthly allowance. Yes, think about it. What is the correct option? Yes, C part. So that she would stay with him and he would look after her. Okay, so I hope the story is clear to you. If I asked you the question like this, imagine you are Algu Chaudhary and Juman's aunt choose you as a head punch. Share your experience. How will you start? How will you write? You will write as Juman and me were the best friends. Remember, you have to write down in the past tense because this story has actually happened. You are going to share your experience, right? So you will write Juman and me were best friends. Juman's aunt, when Juman's aunt transferred her property to the name of Juman, Juman and his wife, they were not taking care of Juman's aunt. They started insulting her, and because of that, the old lady decided to set up a separate kitchen in order to avoid fighting, and she demanded for monthly allowance. But Juman refused to pay. Because of that, Juman's aunt took her case to the panchayat, and in the panchayat she nominated me as the head punch. I was in dilemma because on one hand I knew that my friend was doing wrong, and on the other hand he was my best friend. I was in dilemma that whom side I should take. So the moment I became the head punch, I realized the responsibility and I gave the decision in the favor of Juman's aunt. And because of that, Juman started started Juman stopped talking with me, and he wanted to take revenge from me. But I know I have done correct and I took the fair decision, which was the most important principle of my life. I learned and I gave value to justice. Irrespective of the fact Juman was my best friend, I gave decision in favor of Juman's aunt because according to me, Juman was wrong and his aunt was. As according to me, Juman was wrong and his aunt was right. So I hope the story revision of chapter 15 is clear to you, and prepare the same chapter 15 and chapter 10, the woodcutter with a heart of gold, for subjective class test. All the best. All the best. Prepare well both the chapters for the test and have a nice day. Thank you.